Hello everyone, welcome back to Train. In today's episode, we're going to take a deep dive into Word in Copilot and how you can use it to your advantage. So with that being said, let's get right into it. First, open Word and let's look for the Copilot button on the ribbon. Once you click it, a chat panel appears on the right side of your screen. This is where you type in natural language prompts, basically just telling Copilot what you want. Here's an example. Say you're starting a business proposal. Instead of staring at a blank page, type into Copilot, create a professional proposal draft for a new consulting service, about 1 page long with sections for introduction, problem, and solution. Within seconds, Word generates a full draft. You now have a structured starting point and you can refine it instead of starting from scratch. Now, let's say you already have a draft and want to improve it. Highlight a paragraph and ask Copilot, rewrite this to sound more formal. Instantly, the tone changes. Or you can say, make this section more concise, and it trims the wording while keeping the meaning. Another powerful feature is summarization. Imagine you pasted in a 3-page article or report. Type, summarize this into 3 bullet points, and Copilot condenses the entire document into a quick digest. Perfect for meetings or executive summaries. Formatting also gets easier. You can type, turn this into a 2-column newsletter with headings and bolded key points. Copilot applies formatting automatically, saving you time digging through Word menus. And here's a productivity trick. Use Copilot to generate variations. So for example, give me 3 different title options for this report, or suggest a compelling introduction paragraph. It's like brainstorming with a colleague who never runs out of ideas. The real magic is that Copilot doesn't replace your writing, it accelerates it. You stay in control, reviewing, editing, and shaping the output to match your style. So, next time you open Word, remember, instead of typing everything from scratch, you can describe what you want in plain English and let Copilot do the heavy lifting. That's how you use Copilot in Word. Drafting, editing, summarizing, formatting, and brainstorming, all with simple prompts. We hope you enjoyed this video, and please click the like and subscribe button, and see you next time.